I'm Megan.
And I'm Rachel.
And we are doing this from Kentucky.
Yeah, we left Boston.
So we're back home now. And we wanted to do a final video blog to just show you all what we learned, and to do an overview, and to see that all of this is possible.
Yeah. You
can be in our shoes one day. So I think what we really want people to take from this is that this is possible. Anyone can do this. You just have to take it day by day and do small steps at first, but eventually you'll get it.
So yeah, I would say that I kind of got 5 big things from this trip and learned from like Dr. Coleman's brothers that like the first thing is, and probably the most important, is that you just have to think bigger. Like you can't do what everybody else does, what's already been done. Just make your goal bigger and crazier. And the worst that happens is you miss it and you end up in a better place than you were before. So think big is probably the biggest thing I learned.
Yes, which is also good. And then some things from what we learned from the particular schools is that tenure in most colleges, it's not the same as like high school and regular schools, but in like colleges and universities, teachers get tenure from being there for a while, and then they'll send out questions to other people that are in their field and ask them how you think they're doing, if their research is contributing. But at Harvard, to get tenure, they send out one question to the people that are in that field, and they ask them if they are the best people in their field, the number one person in the world in the field that they are studying or teaching. And if they aren't, they ask who are, and then they give that person tenure.
So it's crazy competitive. You have to really work hard.
It drives some people crazy.
Yeah, understandably. So some other things that we kind of learned, some themes, is like, yeah, you need to think big, but you also need to work hard and have a plan for day by day. You know, like you may have a big dream, but you have to you still have to go to school and you still have to get an A in a class. Like it's smaller steps that you have to break down and achieve, and just keep going and working at it, and then you'll get to your big goal. So working day by day and just keeping in mind your goal, but focusing on what you can do with what you have right now.
And taking small steps.
Yeah.
What Kevin and Chris did to help them get where they were was they did summer programs in college, and they actually went up to Harvard and MIT just to research a little bit and see what it's like up there. But also in high school, when they tried to do this, like when they tried to contact people from the schools that they were going to research, surprisingly they didn't reply to them. And so what they did was they contacted Nobel Prize winners to go and study with them over the summer or over like in college or high school. And they replied, but they just had to take that step and that initiative to get that far.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so that was another lesson that we kind of learned is like, don't be afraid to ask, because so many more people will say yes than you think would. Like when I emailed Dr. Coleman, Megan had mentioned like us going to Boston, and I emailed her. I was like afraid. I was like, she's going to think I'm crazy. I really want to do this, and I just want to see if it's possible. So I emailed her, and she was like, yes. I'm not even going to say, she's like, I'll guarantee you get to do this. And I was like, wow. So, I mean, just people are going to be really nice to you if you just have a little guts, put yourself out there and ask, because people want to help, and that'll benefit you definitely.
Yes. And so you just can't be afraid, and you got to put yourself out there, even though it might be scary at first. You need to find what you're interested in, and if it might not be exactly what you're interested in, find little things that catch your interest and go and do that.
Yeah, like just try it out, because you never know. Like you may love it, you may hate it. You don't know until you do it.
But it's nice to try when you're at this stage in your life than 4 years down the road when you're graduating college.
Yeah. So another theme that we learned was like, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter who you are, who you know, who your parents are, how much money you have or whatever. It doesn't matter where you come from. It's about what you do. Like you just make a decision today. Like it doesn't matter what people think I should be or whatever. It's like, where am I going and where do I want to go? Like Chris told us about a guy from Eastern Kentucky. Eastern Kentucky doesn't have the best, academic reputation. He's a Nobel Prize winner. He went to Union College and just made a huge discovery. And, like, he's just a guy from Eastern Kentucky. You wouldn't expect it. But it doesn't matter. Like, you can do anything.
And that helped us show that you can do anything. And the people that we shadowed, Chris and Kevin, they're also from Kentucky.
Yeah.
And they're these huge people at MIT and Harvard.
Yeah, like, Chris went to UK, so
And
that's where we're going.
Yeah.
And we felt I felt kind of down about it. I was like, I'm not going to Harvard or anything. Does that mean I'm not smart? No, because look, there's, a researcher who went to UK, and he turned out great. So, yeah, and then, of course, the last theme was just do what you love and what you are passionate about and just become the best at it. Find what you love, keep doing it every day, set a huge goal, and achieve it. And you'll be happy, too, along the way.
Yeah, you just have to do what you love. And if you don't do what you love, then...
what's the point? Like, just do what you love, live your dreams, be happy.
Yep. I think that's the biggest lesson that we learned is do what you love, and they're doing what they love, and they made it this far. So just keep chasing your dreams because...
and make them bigger. Like, don't have your dream, like, go to college. Be like, expand it. Just do something crazy. I think that's the hugest, thing I've taken away from this is just expand your dreams because you can do it.
Anyone can. And I found the video of Chris working in his lab, so I'm going to post that along with this video, but I'm going to post it separately. So you can check that out too.
So thanks for watching us on our trip. We had a blast, and we're so grateful to everyone in the school system that has made this possible, to Mr. McKinney for his really great idea, for Dr. Coleman and all her support and her family. It's been great.
And I hope everyone else had such a great time too, because I know we did.
Mm-hmm.
So thank you.